Daniel. Thank you for coming to see me. I wanted to have a little chat.
Split, Grandad.
I'm sorry to have to tell you, but I'm reducing your bar line size again.
But I'm on 4 point already. Any smaller, the readers will need a magnifying glass.
Actually, they'll need a fucking microscope, but that's not the point. I just don't feel you have that certain something. How do you say?
Je ne sais quoi?
No, no. That's not it.
Je ne vive?
No, no. Closer, but no.
Savoir-faire?
No, that's not it either. What I'm trying to say is that you don't have a funny bone. Paul Murray and I have been in this business for a long time, and mad old cunts like us have an instinct for humor that you can never understand. We know that the goons will never be surpassed. As Eccles once said, you young people, with your Monty Python.
Like when Paul Murray wrote about Eddie Armin? And the Mignogs?
Exactly. For example, after giving my Eccles impression to the Spanish ambassador the other day, what do you think he said?
Kill me now.
Right. Have you heard this before?